So here's Waiter dating app, less dating, more love. So less dating, more love. Waiter is a dating app that gives you the best chance to find love. Forget wasting hours swiping through endless profiles. Forget matches that never led to a single conversation. Forget fake profiles that aren't verified. So quality over quantity. Waiter only shows you people who truly match with you, because one real match is worth more than 1,000 pointless ones. 2 million members, 500,000 matches already made. You deserve the best. There is AI account Chloe who will help you out with onboarding, and that's the app. It has 12,000 ratings, 4.8 average rating, which is quite high. So it's not yet in top charts. And then you can just open it up. Design is nice. And then let's try to sign up just for you to show how it works. And then here's how the onboarding looks like. And then you can just add your age. And then it's all good. And then you can discover it. You can see how it looks like, the onboarding. And then this is how the idea. Start a search. So here is 3 people. Choose one of 3 profiles. So you can select this. And then you, for example, you can just swipe around, and this is the idea. Yeah, actually, I don't know whether so that's the idea. How you just get in 3 matches, 3 profiles per day. So understand, and then that's how it works. Then it asks you to upgrade. 1 month $30, 6 months 60. Well, I don't know actually right now. I think it's quite scammy. A lot of these dating apps, they're just taking advantage of man, and man just upgrade, spend a lot of money, and they just chat with AI accounts, or they're like, your email can just be spammed with some scammy links and all of that. So just be quite careful when you're creating your account and sharing your photos, given access to your photos in here, or given access to your profile. Here I created an account just to show you. But remember, even if you create an account with Apple ID, then they already have your email and more data. So then basically, yeah, it can become not safe for you. But here is the app. It has a lot of ratings. I guess they also can create a lot of ratings, like scammy ratings. So as you can see, people actually in the reviews saying that it's quite scammy. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically what I can see. So yeah, I wouldn't say that this app is completely worth it to upgrade, to be honest, and just to even sign up.